What's going on, everyone? Conservative Video Dipper here. We are cooked, chat. We are literally cooked. Our generation is gonna be cooked if we cannot get this shit figured out. Math and white milk is racist. But what if it comes from a black and white cow? Then what? Then it's still racist. You see? That's the liberal ideology. Well, how is math racist then? Pookie Bear. Well, apparently, in the liberals' world, math does not equate to 1 plus 1 equaling 2 in their world, or in their eyes. So, what about snow then? What do we do about snow? Yeah, don't give them any more ideas and telling them that snow is white. I mean, hell, if you tell them that a male human liquid substance is kind of white and it comes out of a male, that might ultimately make them want to directly think that is racist too. But what if it comes out of somebody that isn't white? Well, it's still inherently racist, apparently. And look, I'm white as hell. I don't have any privilege. I am not racist. But apparently, because I drink white milk and I know how to do math, I'm racist. Mm, well, but again, what if the cow was black and white or brown? Well, then that'd just be utterly awful to tell them that cow was not white. Oh, God. What an utterly awful joke. Okay, so you want to tell me that milk is racist? You want to tell me math is racist? Great. Okay. See, guys, this is where we're cooked. Because our generation doesn't realize that math isn't racist. Where in the hell does 1 plus 1 equal 500.4 times pi in their world? Where does that equate to anything? Where are they getting these statistics from? Their ass? I honestly, guys, do have to say I feel a little bit worried about our generation, because if our generation feels that way, thinks that way, and is determining how our world should be because of, it doesn't fit their narrative, then we need to really start homeschooling our kids. Seriously. Kids need to start being homeschooled. Because this shit does not work. And I just realized something. Even though Trump is trying to kind of get rid of the education thing, what's going to happen when Trump leaves office and they start this shit again? What happens? So we're going to go back to square one, where everything is being taught by a bunch of very white, liberal, pink colored, hairy colored twats that don't know how to be a teacher. Oh, that's a great thing to learn. Hey, you just wake up incoherent, you just wake up one day coherently thinking every math quiz is racist. Well, sorry, Miss Turner, your kid can't learn how to be smart in school anymore because apparently math is racist. Great. How are you going to tell the kids' parents this? A general thought process would be math isn't racist, it's numbers. So now numbers are apparently racist. Okay, whoop-de-doo. Great. So what you're telling me then is that people like carpenters, welders, pipeliners, tin knockers, HVAC workers, they're racist because they use numbers. Oh my gosh. So if we can't really use numbers anymore, what do we use? What do we use? A plus C equals Q, R, and S? Or I don't even want to know. I mean, this just hurt my head. I had a headache this morning, and now I've got the worst headache trying to figure this shit out. No. I guess if math is and milk is racist, then what do you not think is racist? Hell, I mean, does my electric guitar have privilege? Does I'm sorry, my flag is racist apparently also because it's an American flag. It stands for America. America! Capitalism. Trump. And not being told that we're misogynistic, racist, white privileged, cis male uh, pieces of garbage. But again, I think our flag right there does make them scream a little bit loud too. So what's not racist? Hey, how about my TV remote? Since it's black, I mean it does turn on the TV, and my TV isn't racist because it has color to it. Yeah, don't even get them started, conservative. It's not even worth arguing that point because you know how they are. They're not going to pay attention to you. They're not going to listen to you. They're not going to like what you say. They're just going to look at you and think you're a total, complete dumb shit. Well, yeah, now a TV can't be racist because my TV is color. I have a color TV. And it shows pictures that are not black and white. So, if milk, math, snow, white people are racist, are we gonna go back to doing like where TV is just black and white so that we just all prevent the racism scenario crap from happening? I'm getting bored of this. I really am. I'm getting bored of having to do this and try to keep up with these idiots. Because I can't. I cannot keep up with these people. I seriously cannot think of anything. Hell, poop isn't even racist because, you know, poop is brown or whatever. So poop isn't white. So I guess poop won't be racist. But everything that is white is inherently racist. I better not tell them that napkins over here are racist. Because then they'll start thinking napkins are racist. I mean, hey, look. This piece of paper is white. What do you guys got to say to that one? I mean, give me a break, please. You idiot have said this and this and this is racist for a long ass time. I think at this point, racism means literally nothing. I think we could just divvy it up to, or no pun intended, diddy it up to, y'all are just a bunch of idiots. If you think that white people, milk, math is racist, you really need to get your head adjusted or examined at this point. Let's not just make fun of these people, but let's just look at the situation entirely. If little poor Timmy can't learn math anymore, then I guess little Timmy's wish of being a mathematician or a math teacher really is not going to be working out well for him later in life. Whoever came up with this, like I said, you must have been smoking some weird, some type of an alleged drug. And I don't know what alleged drug y'all been smoking, but please, for the love of God, stop doing it. Because it makes you look stupid. It absolutely does. It shows right there how ignorant you are. And not only the ignorance, but just how racist you are. Racism has lost its meaning. Oh, this is racist, that's racist. Racism literally has lost its entire meaning lately because everything's racist. Hell, if these flowers are racist, then I'm sorry, but they're blue. Oh, but they're not white. They're fake flowers, which don't smell because they're fake again. So I guess flowers that are not white can't be racist. As long as the flowers aren't white, they aren't racist, right? For the love of God, please give me a break. This is stupid. This is absolutely asinine. What is it with these people? What is it with these people that think screaming racist, 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 racist? It's like, reminds me of that TV commercial with the Snickers commercial. Marsha, Marsha, Marsha. That's all I hear. It's racist, racist, racist. It's almost like when you liberals always say, oh, Trump said Russia, Russia, Russia. It's kind of the same way. My God, I bet every freaking mathematician or scientist like Albert Einstein's probably rolling in their grave right now trying to comprehend this. No, don't worry, Albert Einstein. You don't have to comprehend it. You can go into the other world where you don't have to worry about everything being racist at this point. You're deceased. I know that was a pretty bad joke about Albert Einstein, but come on. Seriously, think about it. If Albert Einstein was alive today, they would probably think he was a racist. Because, well, not only because he was white, but on top of that, German, a German scientist who used math. Oh, yeah, that would make him racist, wouldn't it? These are the idiots, people. These are the idiots that want to run our country and tell us, people like me, you, and everyone else, what to do, how to think, and how to feel. Oh my gosh. Why, people? Why do we have to do this to ourselves? We literally are doing this. This is literally where we are going today. This is how we are going today. I am ranting the shit out of this video because I don't understand it. I literally don't. If math is racist, white milk is racist, what's not racist? What is not racist anymore? I mean, we just gotten to the point where we're allowing this to happen. To be told by people that dye their hair, wear nose rings, and that are oversized, stuffed, like more overstuffed than a stuffed Oreo cookie. What is racist and not racist anymore? Is this how we seriously are going to allow ourselves to be told? Hell, it's almost like they're kind of Karen policing us at this point. They're telling us what we can and cannot think and feel because we allow this to happen. I am so thankful that Trump is trying to get rid of all of the bad teachers and all of the bad like DEI and all this crap. I'm so happy Trump's doing it. Because at this point we might as well get rid of the education system. Because education is failing us. Hell, even in schools right now they're teaching you that Black Lives Matter. They're teaching you that people of the Rainbow Express need to be looked not down upon, but looked as oppressed. Yeah, you know the majority of the Rainbow Express community doesn't really make up a high percentage, right? It's kind of a low percent. Oh, but you tell them that, then they will really get butthurt for that. This is what we are going for here. This is our future. Please, ladies and gentlemen, homeschool your kids. Be smart enough to homeschool your kids. Because if you homeschool your kids, you're gonna